Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll guide you on collecting payments seamlessly using Aster by generating payment links for your invoices. Payment links allow you to effortlessly collect and record payments from your customers by sharing a secure URL for making payments for each invoice. This URL is accessible from anywhere on the internet and can be sent directly to your customers from Aster. Now let's begin. While editing your invoice, make sure that for payment mode you have payment link selected, and then you select the bank account to which you would like to receive your payments. If your bank account isn't currently listed, then you can simply tap Add New and fill in the new bank account details. When ready, tap Save and Send. This takes you to the message preview screen. On this screen, you can see a preview of the email your customer will receive. This email will contain the Make Payment Online button. Upon clicking this button, the customer is directed to a payment page where they can select the amount they wish to pay. They can also change the email address at which they would like to receive a receipt. By default, this is the customer's primary email address. Once they tap Make a Payment, they are redirected to a payment page where they can complete the payment via various transaction methods. Once payment is complete, they are redirected back to Aster, where the payment is then confirmed. They can either choose to make another payment, or if they're done, they can just close the page. Now, back in the Invoices section, under the Transactions tab, a refresh will show the newly recorded payment. The total amount outstanding on the invoice is also automatically updated. And that's a wrap on collecting payments using payment links. This streamlined flow will ensure efficient payment collection on the customer side, as well as automatic recording of the transactions for you, thereby settling the invoice as soon as the customer is completing the payment. Payments made via payment links typically settle into the selected bank account on the next working day, so typically T+1. So for example, if a payment is made on Monday, the money should drop into the bank account on Tuesday. Also keep in mind that transaction fees may apply. And for more information on that, please see the video description below.